We shall never see the edge of the universe, but why we can't? To understand this phenomenon, we first need to know the speed of light. The speed of light is actually very fast. In our daily life we see things instantly, and we don't see things after they've happened in time. To be precise, light can travel at around 1079252848.8 km per hour. Pretty astonishing, but even that speed is not good enough. Over large distances, like from Sun to Earth, light takes 8 minutes to reach us. This means that we ever see the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago. Even further, when Neptune is closest to Earth, light takes 4 hours to reach us. Our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, light from Proxima Centauri takes 4 straight light years to reach on Earth. How far away is Proxima Centauri? NASA's space probe Voyager moves at an astonishing speed, which is 13 kilometers per second, but even at that speed it would still take more than 80,000 years to fly by our nearest neighbor star. When we look at Crab Nebula from Earth, then we are seeing things much farther back in time. Crab Nebula was once a big star, 10 times the mass our Sun, which exploded in a supernova. At the very core of Crab Nebula is a pulsar, a collapsed star, roughly the diameter of Manhattan. A pulsar is a neutron star rotating at amazing speed, 20 to 100 times a second. At this amazing speed it emits a beam of electromagnetic radiation, which lights up the whole nebula. We see the Crab Nebula as it was 6,500 years back. Crab Nebula is within our Milky Way galaxy. Not to mention our neighbor galaxies takes even more years to reach us. But they are not the oldest we've seen. One of the oldest galaxy that we have discovered is very old. 13.4 billion years old galaxy as captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. This galaxy is one of the first generation of stars. When light from that galaxy began its journey in the cosmic ocean, Earth was not even there, not even our Sun, not even our galaxy. There was nothing here, for over billions of years. When we look even further, we see the end of space. But it's just the beginning of time. If we see the end of space, we are just seeing a mirage. It's the edge of universe 13.8 billion years ago, but as space is expanding, and we are seeing a line,